Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional logo using Adobe Illustrator. This is a great project for beginners, as well as those looking to improve their skills in Illustrator. Step 1. Setting up the document. Let's start by creating a new document in Adobe Illustrator. I recommend using 1280 by 720 size that's appropriate for your logo design. Once you have created a new document, select the Line Segment tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Creating the logo. Using the Line Segment tool, draw the different elements of your logo design. This can be any kind of design, but for this tutorial, I will create a simple geometric shape using only lines. Now make the lines until you meet your logo requirements. Adjust them so you don't face any issue while make a shape using Shape Builder tool. Like that, keep doing that. Watch the tutorial carefully so you can get everything. Now, I will keep quiet so you can focus on the tutorial. To connect the lines and create a shape, use the Shape Builder tool. Keep on repeating this step until you have created your desired design. Step 3. Applying gradient. Now that we have our logo design, let's apply a gradient to it to give it a unique and professional look. Select the logo design, then choose the gradient tool from the toolbar. You can choose any gradient that you like from the gradient panel, or you can create your own custom gradient. Play with the gradients from your color palette and adjust them. Step 4. Adjusting the gradient. Next, let's adjust the gradient to fit our design. You can change the direction of the gradient, adjust the colors, or add more color stops to create a more complex gradient. Play around with the different settings until you find the perfect gradient for your logo. Step 5. Final touches. Finally, let's add some final touches to our logo. You can adjust the stroke width of the lines, or add more details to the design using other tools in Illustrator. Take your time and make sure everything is perfect before you save your final logo design. And that's it. You have now learned how to create a logo using the Line tool and Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator, and how to apply a gradient to make it unique and professional. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching.